Hi guys, this is Vladimirkiri. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm having a small trip around Russia. I'm going to one of the regions in Russia, to Rostov-on-Don, and I want to show you the usual train which I'm going by to my destination. Luckily I'm alone in this coupe, so I can freely to show you how it looks like, what is it, comfortable or not. Really interesting, so let me show you. Few words about Russian train. It's called RZD, Russian Railways. That means Russian railways. So this coupe, because we have different types of wagon, coach, and this is a bit higher class. This is a bit higher class. The usual one, they don't have doors and they don't provide food and so on. So let me tell a few words about this room where I'm staying. It's also for 4 people. We have 2 lower seats like this, like 2 lower seats on the both sides, and 2 upper seats. Beds. My bed is on the upper side, already prepared. So as you see, you can have a blanket here, towel, pillow, TV, door with a big mirror. And the usual one, they don't provide anything. It's like more common and public for people. So you can watch TV. There is air conditioner as well. They provide such shoes. Also, like for your daily needs, it's like toothbrush, towel, what else, and many other things, something like the tiniest things. Hi guys. So this is how it looks like. Very convenient, quite comfortable. So this is the bed. It's very nice to sleep here. Also here, like I already put some stuff here. Here is air conditioner, TV, hanger, so you can hang like your clothes. This ticket is more or less affordable. Time to the destination about 15 hours. Ticket costs only 3,000 something rubles. Usual one costs like 2,000 and like 400 perhaps. There is even like higher class. It costs 10,000 rubles, like twice price. But there are only 2 people and good meal included. Here I also have a small snack. I've just got it. You could choose chicken or either chicken or pork. I chose pork. Okay, let me show. And there is like Russian sausage. This is quite actually tasty. I like it. Let's see how the food looks like here. So this is a sign of railways, Russian railways. Ta-da! This is standard food snack. It is rice and baby pork and such колбаса. And here we have a box with also. Ta-da! Quite nice. There is something like krupuk, chips, sweets, chocolate, something like Oreo. So knife and even like small candy. and small bottle of water. And now what I don't like, I've just departed from Moscow and there is no already proper connection, no internet, and if we pass some areas like fields, there is also no connection. And right now I'm trying to try this food. This is pork with rice, not Asian rice, Russian rice. I would say it's quite okay. It reminds me the meal at the plane usually when you have a short flight between cities and you have these kind of snacks and like simple food. Meat is okay and quite eatable, and I like it. So better to eat. Of course I prepared some of my snacks here. Russian pirozhok, actually I bought it in the cafe with cabbage. Also a kind of traditional thing. I can show you actually right now. There's a train passing by. Okay, let me show you the pirozhok with cabbage, fried cabbage. So guys, this is called pirozhok. It's a Russian snack, like very popular traditional snack. It's a kind of fast food. Or maybe I'll close the window so it's not that noisy. Fast, like a kind of fast food, or not really fast food, but or even a kind of fast food, because you can easily find such a kind of pirozhok in any bus stop or station, railway station, anywhere. So when you want to have a quick snack, something breakfast for lunch, just meal, quick meal, you can just buy it. It's very cheap and very tasty. Russian grandmothers usually do this for their children, and every Russian person can remember her grandma's pirozhok, because every grandma bakes a different pirozhok. Very nice. Inside is cabbage, fried cabbage. Quite nice. I like it. And in Russia we also have some kind of krupuk. This is also very dry, crispy. It's porridge, very useful, healthy food. I don't think it's made, it's boiled in oil. Yeah, it's natural and it's crispy. Like krupuk and very tasty. Nice. I'm sure if you're in Russia and you miss krupuk, this can kind of replace at least something crispy, not only chips, which is a kind of junk food. But this is like healthy food, healthy krupuk, let's say. Of course, when there are 4 people, it's a bit not enough space here, because everyone is busy with his own things, and table is only one, and if you are in the upper seat or bed, you need to sit here, like, and bother others. and usually the price for the lower seat bed it's more expensive rather than the upper, but since my childhood I really like to go on the upper side. It's fun for me. And I'm going to have my snack right now. And what do people usually do here? Like, they know each other and have communication, talk until it's dark, because in the evening, later in the evening, the light will be switched off, and you can use the special light next to your bed, like sleeping place. What I like from this exactly coupe, it's called coupe, like a room, like isolated room, because this is isolated and you share this space only with 4 people. But luckily I'm alone because I bought ticket on the last time, and that's why I try to choose the empty one. And today is the 1st of September, so lots of people and kids, they're going to the school, and maybe that's why there are not many people right now here. And yeah, it's really nice, so you can read a book or just listen to the music and just sleep and feel fresh in the morning, feel much better. Let me show how the corridor looks like here. It also, we have carpets here on the floor. Toilet is also quite clean. Okay, let me show you the corridor first. So the door open like this. And you can put your luggage here. And my luggage is quite big. I'm going to enjoy this food. Now I just finished my dinner. I'm going to throw the garbage and wash my hands in the toilet. I can show you how it looks like. The toilet looks like this. It's not really smelly, it's clean from time to time. You can see it here, the scheduled cleaning. So here, like water, you can watch. Nice. So guys, I'm in the bed already, waiting for the attendant. Proposes me tea, because attendant usually proposes tea, coffee, any drink. Sometimes there is like people from the kitchen, because there is like coach restaurant, and they propose you can order different kind of food. Mostly it's like fried potato or fried eggs. There was just attendant asking me about the breakfast, and I rejected because I will arrive early in the morning and I don't really like to eat very early. And yeah, I would like to have a cup of tea. It costs very cheap, and usually attendant gets some percentage of from the tea, from the sold products. So why not to support and just to enjoy a cup of tea here. It's a bit shaky, but that's how it looks like. Really nice. I like traveling. if, for example, you're traveling four of you, it's gonna be even more fun because you occupy the whole seats, so you will be going only with your company, with no unknown people. I'm already a bit tired because it's already evening. I would like to listen to the music right now and maybe wait for my tea and have a sleep.